I'm not here to motivate you. I'm here to talk about the reality. The reality that you are wasting a lot of your time. You are wasting your potential. And maybe you are wasting your life. Hindi mo maririnig dito yung mga bagay na gusto mong marinig. Maririnig mo yung mga bagay na dapat mong marinig. Kasi ang totoo, may mga bagay na paulit-ulit mong sinasabi. You keep telling yourself, you keep telling other people that you will start your own business, that you will start a new career, you will start your leadership journey, you will start learning something new, maybe look for a mentor. You keep telling yourself that you will work harder, you will create content, you will sell more, you will achieve more, you will do more. May mga bagay na alam mong dapat mong gawin, kaya mong gawin, pwede mong gawin at alam mong makakatulong sa'yo pero hanggang ngayon hindi mo ginagawa. At yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi mo dapat ginagawa, hindi makakatulong sa'yo, hindi practical, and maybe it's out of your way, yun yung mga bagay na paulit-ulit mong ginagawa. Alam mong makakasama sa'yo. So the question now is, why the hell are you doing that to yourself?